Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Monday, September 9th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. Private sale this morning to Mexico on a substantial amount of corn. That was nice to see here. And then we got inspections report. And though corn really needs to have bigger inspections than they did, it did come in higher than anticipated. So you got two sets of friendly information for corn. But it just seems like right now there are a lot of corn bears out there. And they're talking about just the problems with ethanol profitability, demand side of things, and you just cannot get corn going even though you had the wheat complex higher. So corn market down to 1 1/4 today, soybeans steady on the day, wheat complex is where you found the support. So 2 1/4 higher Minneapolis, 4 1/2 in Kansas City, 10 cents higher in Chicago wheat. That was nice to see. Inspections were good here for corn and okay for wheat, but it seems like buyers coming into that wheat complex to start everything off here. And it's no surprise when you're at levels that you have not seen since 2006, 2009 when you look at Minneapolis and Kansas City wheat. So we're watching that. We did come out this afternoon that Brazil is in early trade talks with Mexico to find out some way to get a relationship with them for free trade. And that could have been probably the dagger to the corn market when you look at it. Mexico is our largest corn purchaser. So if they come in here and start looking at free trade with Brazil, that could shake up the dynamic a little bit, though it is feasibly the easiest to get corn from us. So we'll be moving forward and watching that as well. Meat markets, a little bit of pressure into cattle markets, not surprising considering they increased margins after the close on Friday. So you're probably seeing a little bit of flush out of people that don't want to pay those increase in margins. So live cattle down about 65 cents, feeders just over $1 lower, and then hog market, your extended ones, so your D's hogs taking it on the chin, down $2 on the day. Outside markets didn't do a whole lot, pretty quiet when you look at that. We'll see what crop conditions do, and then we'll be seeing here later this week on Thursday a USDA crop report that'll offer some details, though typically they don't change a whole lot in the September report, though this is not a typical year. So we'll have to watch and see what comes out there on Thursday. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.